Hi there, I'm Savannah, your go-to person at Better Life Maids. Let's dive into the quote breakdown you'll receive after our call or when you book online. We offer two types of cleans, the routine cleaning and the deep clean. Routine cleans are our standard service, perfect for one-time or recurring services. If you want the works, we recommend our deep clean service. Deep cleans include everything included in the routine cleaning, plus wet washing baseboards, wood trim, and cabinet fronts. With deep cleans, we spend double the time in your home, ensuring that every corner is grease-free and shiny, all in one visit. Routine cleans tackle those areas over multiple visits, so it is more of a gradual process. In this example, the base rate is $254. Our base rate is the cost of a routine cleaning with no hidden surprises. You can level up your cleaning game with our additional services. Below the base rate, there are the add-ons. In this example, there are 10 interior cabinets for just $80 and the interior fridge and freezer for an additional $100. Remember, deep cleaning is also an add-on service, so the total price you see includes a single deep cleaning, 10 interior cabinets, and the interior cleaning of your fridge and freezer. Are you ready to make your life better? Just hit that Book Now button and you'll secure a thorough deep cleaning with 10 interior cabinets, plus a sparkling fridge and freezer, all for the total of $683. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 314-254-9857. We are more than happy to assist you in all of your cleaning needs.